name is Jenny Hall, and I was invited to come and make a piece of work here at the Tabernacle in Llandudno for Call. I make architecture and I make interactive installations, so all of my artwork, pretty much without fail, is very much engaged with people, and people complete the work. So there's some kind of opportunity where to sort of use it as a platform to jump off from or to get involved. So this idea that we're sort of sitting in here, this is something that I've been wanting to prototype for a while, which is the idea of making a giant interactive musical instrument that's somewhere between a harp and a xylophone. But what we've done here is we've made some hollow wooden pipes. Each one's got a tongue that you can sort of tap, and we put little contact microphones inside, allows it to resonate. And then there's also these strings, which I can't even reach from here, but there's a whole bunch of different strings, and they've all got different sound qualities as well. And it's actually a local music producer, Roger Hughes, who has run sound labs with professional musicians locally, and he's been drawing those musicians in and inviting them to play, but then also to leave quite detailed feedback. So we're at the process at the moment of just kind of learning as much as possible from those musicians. And I've had some really enthusiastic responses, like today from a young woman called Leia, and yesterday from a couple in their 50s and 60s who were like absolutely enthused and had been here for an hour. And the gentleman was saying to me that he'd gone way beyond whale sounds. He was scratching the tongues with his fingernails, and I just love the idea that a man called Peter from somewhere in the kind of Manchester region spent the afternoon going way beyond whale sounds. You know, he didn't start out his day with that intention, did he? So I think that the public are really inventive, and it's nice to be able to offer them an opportunity to say, well, go on then, show me what you can do, show me what can be done. I've really enjoyed working with Call. They are an organisation. This project is being funded through something called Ideas, People and Places by the Arts Council of Wales. I only come across through this project. But I think that what Call are doing here, what they've tried to do in this place, with all this layering of different projects and experiences, is they're really sort of trying to kind of pull back these lost spaces into the kind of cultural capital, which is just a wonderful thing. If I was to sort of say what's the reason behind my work, obviously, reading Grayson Perry, he says, well, as an artist, your work needs to be about something. What's it about? I think to myself, oh my God, what's my work about? And I think on a sort of simple level, it's about joy, and it's about finding ways to come together that's beyond kind of ticket prices, and it's beyond consumption.